Hi viewers, I have one more practice paper for you. This is also solved assignment for grade 6 from Shrifat School, and this is from the chapter 4 and section 5. The practice paper is from the chapter 4 and section 5. See, let's start with our first question, that is in which of the following relation are the two underlying variables related by direct proportion? Direct proportion means both variables can depend on each other. For example, if one variable get increased, then also second one get increased, and if one variable get decreased, then also second one is decreased. Both can depend on each other. So what they are saying height of the object plus length of object is equal to 16. Height of object multiplied by length of object is equal to area of object. And the third one is height of object in feet is equal to 1 by 12 multiplied by height of object in inches. So which one is correct? So third one is correct. Only third one is correct. Select the first option. Now we are on second question. Which of the following dataset represent two variables that are directly proportional to each other? So what they are giving us radius, diameter of circle, side, area of square, number of pens, and total prices. And now we have options, and which option is correct? You see it's 1 and 3 is correct. I'm not reading the whole question because I'm just giving you the answers of these questions. This is your practice for the final exams, and these tests have weightage in your final exam. That's why I'm just giving you the answers. So now we are on question number 3. The question number 3 is, the table below shows the distance in miles a cyclist ride in the given number of hours. So what he gives us, distance and time. Now distance he gives in miles and time in hours. Next, fill in the blank. The constant rate of proportionality of the relation between the distance and the time is dash. So what we have to just multiply and get the answer. Answer is 18. Now we are on question number 4. The density of a cough syrup is 1.1. Density is the thickness. Next is what he gave us. He gave us two things, that is mass and volume. Now again we have a blank, and answer is 55 gram. I'm not explaining anything. Why? I will explain later on in my next videos. Here I'm just giving you the answer. That's why just reading the questions and giving the right answers. Here is our fifth question, that is, a dragonfly is flying 120 meters in 15 seconds. And hornet is flying 77 meters in 11 seconds. A bee is flying at a rate of 72 meters per 12 seconds. Which insect is flying at the fastest rate? So we have to find which one is fastest. Here is the answer, is first one, the dragonfly. Next, now we are on question 6. Assuming y and x are directly proportional, fill in the blanks. Directly proportional, fill the missing entry. Now only one box is missing. In that box we have to write 5. Now in this practice paper we have only 6 questions. I will give you more videos about your more practice papers. If you want to get my all videos, then please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon. And if you need your motivation by subscribing my channel for next videos. Thank you so much. Bye.